Many people think that bonsai must be full, but for Bunjin, it is different. Hi, I'm Dr. Chi. Welcome to my bonsai garden. Today's episode, I'm going to share with you what is Bunjin or Literati style, why it is called Literati or Bunjin, what is a Bunjin style bonsai. The word Bunjin comes from Japan, or even earlier come from China. This tree looks like the scholars, or you call them philosopher in ancient China. That's why in ancient China, the scholars always look thin and pale because they were not like the farmers. They did not go to the farm, so they study, they think. That's why they are becoming very thin and very skinny and also very pale. So this tree looks like a scholar. Actually, that is the name Bunjin come from. So Bunjin, first of all, a Bunjin must be very thin and tall. That is number one. Thin and tall, and then most of the Bunjin, they have only one trunk. Of course, some are having 2 or 3 trunks, depend on what variations you have. So the most attractive feature of a Bunjin, which I think is this drifting branch here. The branch simply drop from here until here, and then for Bunjin, the first branch must at least 2/3, at least coming from the 2/3, at least 2/3 of the height of the whole tree. 1/3, 2/3, okay, at least 2/3. So it looks better and then attractive. It is almost following the golden ratio of this art composition. All right, let's look at the other one. This is another style, straight trunk with one drifting branch. So this you can look at this one. Okay. All right, this is another one. This is a double trunk. This is another style of Bunjin one, the father and son. This is father and son. All right. This is another style. Okay. So yeah, this is still under training. This is Itogawa, Japanese species. So this one will be reported later. This is another one. This is a small tiny one. Okay, this is another style. Now we have 3 different styles of Bunjin or Literati here. So tell me in your comment, which one do you like best? This is a tall style. This is a single trunk, and this is double trunk. This is 1, 2, 3. Tell me in your comment, which one do you like best? Alright, there's the quick look of my bonsai or Literati collection. Come back for another episode. Thanks for watching.